Hello, my name is Joel Windsor, manager of MusicFestivalSuite.com. Windsor Graphics is pleased to offer Music Festival Suite to festivals across Canada. You are watching this video because you are a volunteer or employee of a festival that subscribes to Music Festival Suite. This video will help you understand how to best assist your users as they create their profiles. Please note that while this video walkthrough is meant to help you, it is not an exhaustive look at all of the details of the system. For more refined details, read the printable MusicFestivalSuite.com administration manual available on the Subscribing Festivals pages at MusicFestivalSuite.com. We at MusicFestivalSuite.com would like to encourage you to teach your users how to fish rather than catching their food for them. Therefore, we recommend that if a user asks you for help, the first question you should ask is, did you check out the help pages at MusicFestivalSuite.com? In the Festival Participants section, there are step-by-step pages for every situation in Music Festival Suite. There is also a printable Manual for Festival Participants available that your users can print if they would rather not look for the answers on the screen. Likewise, we also have a number of infographics that help explain the profile structure, the registration process, and other aspects of Music Festival Suite. Finally, we have also placed video walkthroughs of Music Festival Suite to help users through the processes of creating profiles and registering in the festivals. The vast majority of the answers your users will need will be answered somewhere in these pages. We at MusicFestivalSuite.com recommend you familiarize yourself with these pages so that when someone asks, you can simply send them a link to the correct page to direct them to the solution. This has the dual purpose of helping you save time in helping your users, as well as teaching them how to find the answer the next time they have a question. Music Festival Suite uses a profile system to allow for users' information to be carried from year to year. Not just their contact information, but also their past performances and registrations. This means that once a person has created a profile, they never have to do that again, making registering in your festival easy. Profiles are also versatile. A person does not need to have multiple profiles. One will do, even if they are a teacher, a parent, and an entrant. Adjudicators will also get their own profiles, as do volunteers. This allows you to manage your human resources alongside your festival schedule. Every registration needs one person who accepts the primary responsibility of knowing the syllabus, although everyone should understand it. That person gets a teacher profile. In Music Festival Suite, the registration of a child needs to have consent granted by the parent profile. This means before a person can register, people need to accept those responsibilities before creating the entrance profile. Teachers are those who accept the primary responsibility of knowing the syllabus, and so they make a teacher profile. Parents are those who have guardianship over a minor entrant, and so make a parent profile. Only once those two profiles have been created can an entrance profile be created, linking to both the teacher and the parent. Once all profiles are created, it doesn't matter who actually submits the registration. The teacher, parent, or even the student will be able to enter that registration. When it comes to duets, trios, and small ensembles, each entrant must be linked to one common person, whether that person is a teacher or a parent. Sometimes parents choose to also take on the role of teacher to achieve this common link between registrants. It is that common link that registers the duet, trio, or small ensemble. Group entrants such as bands, choirs, or orchestras get their own profiles that only link to a teacher's profile. Some such schools will make a teacher profile for the school's principal, and then use the teacher's email for the group profile's contact as a way of keeping the principal involved. And both the teacher and the principal can then register the group in group classes. If the entrant is over 18 years of age, they do not need to be linked to a parent. If a person is self-taught, as long as they are over 18, they will be able to click a box that says they are self-taught. Once your users understand the structure of profiles, the most common issue you will find is also, thankfully, the simplest to solve. You will likely have a user tell you that they cannot log into their profile after having just created it. Your first question should be, did you click the confirmation link in your email? If they have not, or have no idea what you're talking about, it's because they did not read this screen. A person's profile has not been fully created until they have clicked the confirmation link they receive in their email. If you would like to see if they have received such a confirmation email, In your administrative pages, visit the Profiles Admin section and choose Pending. This will list all the people who have created profiles but have not yet clicked on the confirmation link in the email sent to them. You can also see the email address they submitted and therefore detect any spelling errors they may have made. If they have made a spelling error in their email address, they will need to start over. The second question you should ask is if they used a capital letter in their email address or in their password differently than when they created their profile. The login to Music Festival Suite is case sensitive, and if you use a capital when making your profile but try logging in with all lowercase, the login will not be successful. The third question you should ask if they cannot log in is if they have tried the lookup feature to remind them of their password. When a person enters their user ID, which they get once they create their profile, or if they enter their email address and then choose the lookup button, Music Festival Suite will email their password back to them. If many people have made different profiles using the same email address, your user will not be able to perform a lookup using their email address because Music Festival Suite will not know which password to send, and that is a security issue. They will only be able to do so with their user ID. If they don't remember their user ID, that's when they will finally need your intervention, and you will need to go into Profiles Admin of the administration pages, find their profile in the list of profiles, and then choose Send Lookup to override this security feature. If they still cannot log in, the last question you should ask is if they are using the right user ID and password combination. Many of your users will have many profiles within the same household, and a mother can easily mix up her profile with her child's completely by accident. Reconcile the user ID with the name they expect to be attached to that user ID, and that will likely identify the problem once and for all. As in any robust piece of software you manage, it may occur that you have a user who asks you a question for which you have no idea how to respond. In such cases, please feel confident that you will receive a quick response from our Music Festival Suite staff if you forward the question on to us. The vast majority of these issues that arise will be quick and easy for us to solve, and we will of course teach you to fish as well, so that if the issue arises once again, you can feel confident of your answer every single time. If any issue requires a great deal of intervention from our staff will work with you towards an economical solution. If you need to see more details of your subscription with MusicFestivalSuite.com, refer to the MFS Admin Manual available on the Subscribing Festivals page of www.musicfestivalsuite.com. If you need an answer not provided in the manual, please feel free to send your questions to support@musicfestivalsuite.com. Thank you for viewing this administrative tutorial.